Christmas time is the loveliest time, it's the loveliest time of the year. Carolers' bells will soon begin to chime, and we'll gather with joy and good cheer. We can hardly wait till it's time, for Christmas time is the loveliest time of the year. Time for children, time for their toys, with their planes and their train sets abuzz. Time for parents to deal with the noise when their tots sing "Here Comes Santa Claus." They can hardly wait till it's time, for Christmas time is the loveliest time of the year. Peggy wants a puppy doll, one that barks when you give it a push on its snout. But what's that loud box in the hall? When she opens it up, a real puppy jumps out. Christmas time is the merriest time, it's the veriest, merriest time of the year. My stocking's hung on the mantle with twine, hoping that old Saint Nick will appear. I can hardly wait till it's time, for Christmas time is the loveliest time of the year. Timmy wants a tiny car, one that rides on its own when you wind it up tight. What's that big box by the door? When he pops off the lid, finds a Timmy-sized ride. Christmas time is the loveliest time, it's the bubbliest, loveliest time of the year. Carolers' bells will soon begin to chime, and we'll gather with joy and good cheer. Till it's time, for Christmas time is the loveliest time of the year.